Tom, the school called me today.
About Emma again?
Yes, you forgot her after school.
I'm really sorry.
She waited alone for a long time.
I had a meeting at work.
You always have meetings.
I know. That's not a good excuse.
Emma looked very sad tonight.
I felt terrible when I saw her.
This is the third time this month.
I know. I need to do better.
Please talk to her tomorrow morning.
I will. I want to fix this. Emma, can we talk for a minute?
About yesterday?
Yes. I'm very sorry.
I waited for so long.
I know.
All my friends went home already.
I should have been there earlier.
I thought you forgot me.
Never. I would never forget you on purpose.
But you forget many things.
Sometimes I do.
Mom says you work too much.
Maybe she's right.
Will you pick me up today?
Yes, and we can get ice cream after school.
Okay. I hope you remember this time.
Are you still upset with Dad?
A little bit.
He feels very bad about yesterday.
He forgets things a lot.
That's true.
Last week, he forgot Grandma's birthday, too.
Grandma was very annoyed.
See?
But your dad is trying to change.
Do you really think so?
Yes. He looked serious this morning.
He promised me ice cream.
That sounds like a good sign.
Maybe I can trust him again.
I think you should give him another chance.
Tom, are you joining the meeting at 5?
No, I can't today.
Busy with something?
I need to pick up my daughter.
Sounds important.
Very important.
Why are you so nervous?
Because I forgot her yesterday.
Oh, that's not good.
Emma looked really disappointed.
Kids remember things like that.
I know. That's why I set alarms today.
More than one alarm?
3 alarms.
3? Seriously?
I'm not taking any risks today.
Dad, you're actually here early.
Of course I am. I told you I would come.
I kept checking the gate because I was nervous.
I understand. But today I wanted to surprise you.
My teacher even said, your dad is early today.
That's a little embarrassing.
It's okay. I'm happy now.
So, should we go get that ice cream?
Yes! Can we also buy something for Mom?
That's a great idea. She deserves a treat too.
Maybe chocolate ice cream. Mom loves chocolate.
Perfect. Let's go.
Emma looked much happier tonight.
We had ice cream together after school.
She told me everything already.
Did she also tell you I arrived early?
Yes, she said it 3 times.
I think she was really worried before.
She was. Children remember these things.
I know. I don't want work to affect our family anymore.
Then maybe you should rest more too. You always look tired.
Actually, I forgot something else today.
What now?
Tomorrow is our wedding anniversary, right?
It's tonight.
I can't believe I forgot our anniversary.
Honestly, I'm not surprised anymore.
Ouch, that hurts.
I'm joking. A little.
I wanted to plan something special this year.
Well, the night is not over yet.
Really? You're not angry?
I was angry for 5 minutes.
Only 5? That's a new record.
Don't get too excited. You still need to improve your memory.
I know. Maybe I need a smarter brain.
Or maybe just more sleep.
Tomorrow night, I'll cook dinner for you.
Now I'm worried for a different reason.
Mom, why are you laughing?
Your dad is trying to cook dinner tonight.
Oh no, is the kitchen safe?
I hope so.
What is he making?
Pasta. At least, that's the plan.
Remember when he burned the garlic bread?
Yes, and the smoke alarm went crazy.
Dad is funny sometimes.
He tries very hard, though.
I think he wants to make you happy.
I think so, too.
Can I help him cook later?
Please do. You might save dinner.
Emma, can you pass me the tomatoes?
Sure, but Dad, the pan is too hot.
Oh, thanks for telling me.
Mom says you never pay attention in the kitchen.
Your mom says many things about me.
She's usually right.
Wow, whose side are you on?
Mom's side. But I still want to help you.
Fair enough. Can you taste the sauce?
It needs more salt.
Really? I already added salt twice.
Then maybe don't add more?
Good advice.
Dad,
Yeah?
I'm glad you remembered me today.
Dinner was actually very good tonight.
Actually, sounds a little rude.
I'm just being honest.
I had a good teacher. Emma helped me a lot.
I noticed. She looked happy all evening.
I think we needed this family time.
Me too. No phones, no work, no stress.
I realized something this week.
What is it?
Small moments with family are very important.
That's true.
So from now on, I want to forget fewer things and remember more moments.
That might be the sweetest thing you said all year.
Good, because I already forgot what I said last year. Now it's time to review some important phrases from the dialogues.
Pick someone up. It means to go somewhere and take someone home. Example: Dad will pick me up after school.
Feel terrible. It means to feel very bad or guilty. Example: I felt terrible about my mistake.
On purpose. It means intentionally, not by accident. Example: I didn't do it on purpose.
Give someone another chance. It means to allow someone to try again. Example: please give me another chance.
Pay attention. It means to listen carefully or focus. Example: please pay attention in class.
Take a risk. It means to do something dangerous or uncertain. Example: he doesn't want to take a risk.
Family time. It means time spent together with family. Example: we enjoy family time together.
Do better. It means to improve or perform better. Example: you can do better next time.
Upset with someone. It means feeling sad or angry at someone. Example: she is upset with me.
Fix this. It means to solve a problem or improve a bad situation. Example: let's fix this together. Keep practicing these phrases again and again until they become natural for you in real-life conversations. See you again in the next lesson. Keep practicing and don't give up.